This channel makes an average of $42,000 per month with kids' songs. They don't sing the songs themselves, they don't create the animations themselves, and all of their content is produced entirely with AI. And making money on YouTube with kids' songs is actually much easier than you think. There is one single method they all use. I'll show it to you at the end of the video. But first, let's start step by step and see how to create a kids' song video using AI.
Old MacDonald had a farm, oh yes he did, with mooing cows and clucking hens under the sunlit lid. The piggies squealed, the donkeys brayed, a noisy little grid. E-I-E-I-O, he'd sing so proud, so loud. E-I-E-I-O, the animals joined the crowd.
Log into Magic Light and click on the Music Video section. Click on Create Music. In this field, write what kind of kids' song you want to create. I want it to generate a song with a friendship theme. From the Music Genre section, I choose the style and click Generate. Magic Light creates 2 different songs. Let's listen.
Sunny, silly meadow, tickle in the air. Bunny's got a bubble hat, goose in underwear. Ladybug tap dancing, chipmunk in a shoe.
We all shout together, nice to meet you, Moo Moo.
Sunny, silly meadow, tickle in the air. Bunny's got a bubble hat, goose in underwear. What? Ladybug tap dancing, chip.
I choose the second one and click Select Music. Then, I choose a style for the video. I select the aspect ratio and the language of my video. I select the story model and the video model, then click Create Full Video, and my song video starts being generated. Let's watch it.
Sunny, silly meadow, tickle in the air. Bunny's got a bubble hat, goose in underwear. What? Ladybug tap dancing, chipmunk in a shoe. We all shout together, nice to meet you, Moo. Friendship picnic, bring your heart, spread it like jam on a tart. Sharing cookies, sharing games, sharing all our wobbly names. You get half and I get half, crunch it up and share the laugh. 1, 2, boop, we share the giggle soup. Slurp! Squirrel has a sandwich, bigger than his head.
I can't chomp it all alone.
Help me out, he said.
Duck says,
Pass a tiny bite, frog says pass me 10. We all pass the plate around.
then pass it back again.
Friendship picnic, bring your heart, spread it like jam on a tart. Sharing crayons, sharing glue.
I draw me and you draw you.
You get blue and I get green. Mix it up, a silly scene. 1, 2, honk, honk. We share the coloring thunk. If you've got one,
And I've got none.
we can turn it into
2 times fun.
If I feel small,
And you feel tall, scoot your smile a little closer.
we both grow tallish.
Friendship picnic, bring your heart, spread it like jam on a tart. Sharing blankets, sharing space.
Scoot a paw and make a place.
You get twist and I get shout. Shake the wiggles, dance it out. 1, 2, kazoom!
We share the whole meadow room.
1, 2, kazoom!
Friends for every afternoon.
You can download the thumbnail or regenerate it if you want. You can also download the video itself and all the visuals used in the video. Now let's talk about the tactic these channels use to grow. As you can see, example channels are constantly running live streams. By streaming 24/7, they increase their watch time and visibility. You can also use Geyer Pro to create a playlist with your old videos and run a continuous live stream. If you want to check them out, you can find the links to Magic Light and Geyer Pro in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.